The messenger of Allah, for him to say there is such a gate in paradise, must surely have received revelation from Jibril. If the revelation comes to him through Jibril, then even if it's called a hadith, what is it actually? It is revelation. Because why does the messenger of Allah say things like, there is such a river in paradise, such a gate in paradise? He doesn't say these from his own mind. In matters of religion, as it's stated in the verse, revelation comes to him. These types of knowledge are revelation. But now, for example, he spoke about a completely natural worldly issue. They said, O Messenger of Allah, shall we graft this tree with that one? Shall we combine these date palms? He said, you know your worldly affairs better. Meaning, do as you see fit. If revelation had come to him on such a matter, would he have spoken so openly? He would have. But since it was about the world, he said, you know better. What did he do? He delegated the matter. So, since he left it to them, such worldly statements are not called revelation. But now, when he says there is a gate in paradise, how could he say that without revelation? And as for what he said, in the month of Rajab, those who fast will drink from it. Who said this? Abu Qulaba. And who is Abu Qulaba? He is among the great ones of the Tabi'in. And what does the great hadith scholar Al-Bayhaqi say? There is a river in paradise. His name is Rajab. But he doesn't call this a hadith. Abu Qulaba simply mentioned it in conversation. Those who heard him naturally recorded it. Bayhaqi came a few centuries later, around the 400s, meaning he lived much later than the first Tabi'in generation. So, if there is a river in paradise called Rajab, as Abu Qulaba said, and he was among the greatest of the Tabi'in, such a statement cannot be made without a chain of transmission from a companion who must have heard it from the Messenger of Allah. Therefore, what is its ruling? All hadith scholars accept it as authentic. What does marfu mean? It means that the chain is connected up to the Messenger of Allah. It reaches him, so Abu Qulaba could have said it. Do you understand? This is a rule of hadith science. Sometimes Anas said, or Ibn Abbas said, and there are many such cases. Hassan al-Basri said, for example, in Basra, dates are unripe in June, ripen in July, and become sweet in August. If he says something like this, does it require revelation? You must use your mind. For such worldly topics, do we need to call them revelation hadith or marfu hadith? If I say, I say, I heard from my grandmother that for a wound to heal you should burn a leaf and apply its ashes, does that make it hadith? But if Hassan al-Basri says, there is such a gate in paradise, how would he know that? From whom must he have heard it? From a companion. And from whom must the companion have heard it? From the Messenger of Allah. These are the principles